How does an airplane engine work? Ever wondered how an airplane stays in the sky, soaring at thousands of feet above the ground? The secret lies in its engine. Today, we're going to break down the magic of how an airplane engine works. At its core, an airplane engine is a machine that converts fuel into energy to create thrust. The most common type of engine you'll find on commercial aircraft is called a jet engine, specifically a turbofan engine. Let's take a look inside. The engine works in a series of steps, each one contributing to the movement of the airplane. Air intake. It all starts here, with the air intake. Air is drawn into the engine by the forward motion of the plane. This air is vital to the engine's function, as it is compressed and used to create thrust. Compression stage. Next up is the compressor. The compressor is made up of a series of rotating blades that squeeze the incoming air, increasing its pressure. This is important because, at high altitudes, air density is low, so compressing it allows for efficient fuel combustion. Combustion. Now, the highly compressed air moves into the combustion chamber, where things really heat up. Fuel is injected and mixed with the compressed air, and then it's ignited by a spark. This creates a massive amount of hot, high-pressure gas. Turbine stage. Here's where the engine gets its power. The high-pressure gas flows through a series of turbine blades. These blades spin, and as they turn, they generate the mechanical energy needed to keep the compressor running. The turbine is powered by the energy from the hot gases created in the combustion process. Exhaust and thrust. The final step is where the magic happens. The remaining hot gases are expelled through the exhaust nozzle at the back of the engine. As the gases shoot out, they push against the engine, creating the force we call thrust. It's this force that propels the airplane forward. By pushing air out at high speed, the engine creates a reaction that pushes the airplane forward, overcoming the drag and keeping it in motion. Conclusion: how all the parts work together. So, to recap, the airplane engine works by pulling in air, compressing it, mixing it with fuel, igniting it, and using the resulting hot gases to turn turbines and create thrust. Each part of the engine is crucial to its function, and together, they enable the airplane to fly. And that's how an airplane engine works. The next time you're flying, just think about the powerful engine beneath you working tirelessly to keep you in the sky.